everybody, this is Tambeyoda and I'm back with another Transformers video review. This time I have Titans Returns Deluxe Class Misfire with his Titan Master Aimless. So this is actually an homage to a G1 Target Master, and the name of his Titan Master is named after what his Target Master was named. So that's where that comes from. And as you can see, this is actually a heavy retool of Trigger Happy. Well, you can't actually see here, but if you look down at the feet, you can see. And then there's this is his alt mode, so you can see that the front is a little bit different, the wings are a little bit different, but the back end of the where the feet are, those are basically the same. So coming on here on the back, you can see it takes 10 steps to transform him, and the Titan Master can pilot. So up here, there's a little snippet, a little bio snippet. And basically it says that Aimless gives Misfire an ultra powerful ion particle fire blast, but it does say, unfortunately, it doesn't improve his low grade targeting skill, so it looks like he probably misses a lot. So, and then it kind of jokes that Autobots and Decepticons go running for cover whenever he uses it. So you can see here there's some of the other figures that are in this wave. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get this guy open so we can check him out. Alright, so we are back, and here we have Misfire out of his packaging and in his robot mode. So this is once again a heavy retool of Trigger Happy. He has enough of a difference in transformation that I didn't really need to look at the instruction, but it took me a little bit to figure out. So as like I said, I didn't even open the instructions here. So here are come on. So here are his instructions. And here's his art card along with his technical data. Wow. His highest are 8, and then his intellect is a 6. He gets really low stats, really low. It's not too bad of a figure. He's a little on the pink side, but the original was also, so you can't really I guess complain about that too much. It looks like the Legends version, the Takara version, is going to be a little bit brighter pink also. So you're going to have that, but you're going to get a little bit more blue in there. So let's go ahead and here's his guns, I guess. Go ahead and get into transform. Can you put his guns here? No. Get into transformation so we can so I can show that off. And here's this Titan Master here. He has an okay face sculpt. It's not over the top. He has a few colors in there. And then, ooh, wow. Look, they painted his face. That's weird. Usually don't do that. So they painted his face. I don't know what made them go back to do that. I'll have to check the rest of the figures in this wave to see if they do that. But, ooh. Tempo. Okay, so, shiny. So to transform this guy, like I said, he's a little bit different, but he's a little bit the same. So you pull these down, and that's kind of the same. Flip in the fist. The only thing is that there's no rotation. So with the Trigger Happy, there was a rotation where you rotated the feet around. This one you don't. You just pull down this portion, lock it there, and then you take the hips. See, there's a joint right there. You fold that out like that, and then you kind of do the same thing where you have. I don't know if that should be like that. I'll have to see in just a little bit. But you clip those together and then rotate it down. Come on. get you going. Weird. I think I actually want this like this. Let's see. Strange. What's causing this to do that? Weird. I guess you can't join them together. It probably causes it to catch on something, so you can't join them together until you actually get them up here. And then you can join them together. And then basically you want to rotate the arms down, but as you're rotating the arms down, you want to rotate the wings around. So this will tab in back here, and then the wing will actually tab into the arm, top of the arm. So you got that. I'm going to do this, pull this up. Like I said, as you're bringing the arm down, you want to rotate the wing around. So tab that into the leg, and then bring this down, and that will tab into the arm. Alright, so we have that. I think that's good like that. There's no landing gear. Alright, so now what you do is you take the guns. They go somewhere on here. I didn't mess with it before I... oh, here we go. Like this. So in the side of the arm there is a peg hole, so you can take the gun, you can tab the gun into there. So there's that. And you can bring this up and take the Titan Master and goes like this, and then close back up, and he's flying his ship. So like I said, it resembles Trigger Happy in with the legs. But a lot of the other parts of transformation are very different. The gun is a different gun. I'm pretty sure that the Titan Master, the body itself, is probably the same, but the only thing that it really shares are the legs. Everything else looks like it's remolded. So like I said, it is heavily remolded Trigger Happy. So to go ahead and get him into back end of vehicle, or back into robot mode, you just want to pull these out. Like I said, they're tabbed into the side of the arm, so you want to tab those. And these can actually become a turret themselves. So tab those in together. I guess if you wanted to, then you can have the these can be like the side, or even a back. That's weird. I don't know if that's a tab too. Can't tell. Alright, so get him back. We got the guns off. So we want to bring the arms up. Oh, yeah. Untab this. Bring the arms up. I'm going to go back up here, and as you're bringing the arms up, remember you want to twist the wings also. This comes down, it'll fold onto the back. Oops, let's get this guy out. So that guy out, rotate down the legs, and we'll fold back out to the feet. And then bring this up. Then untab the feet. Bring out the fist. Like this. Let's go ahead and bring the camera up. Alright, so we have our Titan Master here. And we'll go ahead and reconnect him. And we have our guns here. I was saying before, do it? No, it doesn't. It's too loose. No, and that's too big. So. Alright, so Misfire, he's back in his robot mode. So for his articulation, you have a little bit of wobble on the head. You can go left and right. The shoulders have two joints, so you have forward and back, and then you have an out to the side joint like that. Then you have your swivel right here, and then your elbow. And I believe that the wrist, nope, not the wrist, no, that's it folds inside. I saw this and I thought that it was a swivel. The waist does turn, so you can turn the waist. Then at the hips right here, you can forward, back, out to the side. You have a twist, and then your knee, and then you have different movement on the feet. So the feet are pretty much the same, where you can move the heel and the toe, or the front of the foot, independently of each other. Alright, so gosh, yeah, I like this guy. I don't think I like him as much as I do Trigger Happy, just because of, I guess, a color scheme. But you can't really help that, because that's what he was originally. I find this guy, his transformation's a little bit easier than Trigger Happy, and I didn't even have to look at the instructions for him. So with that, I guess that'll go ahead and conclude this review of Misfire. Don't forget to check out all my other videos. Like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook. This has been Tambeyoda. See you guys next time.